Good afternoon and welcome to my channel Californian Marathi. I'll show you the view behind me. And right now I am in Satpura Tiger Reserve, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and this is one of the best tiger reserves. The lake that you see in front is the Tawa Lake. Behind that water is the Satpura Tiger Reserve. All set for the first safari. So we are going to Madai Gate, which is core gate. So the safari here in Satpura starts little late at around 4 o'clock. So we have to be ready by 3:45 and all set with my gear. We'll start our safari soon. Let's see. This first safari has dropped us to a spot from where we have to take the small boat and cross the river and go to the other side of the river. ये है हमारे गाइड सर, क्या नाम है सर आपका? खेत सिंह
जी।
सॉरी, चलो
आराम से चलना सर, यहाँ से थोड़ा सा
हाँ
संभल के।
That's our resort and you can see the whole view from the other side. All the gypsies waiting for us and the safari starts.
ये सतपुड़ा टाइगर रिजर्व का जो एरिया है सर, वो कोर बफर एरिया में लाकर 2150 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर फैला हुआ था, जिसमें से लगभग 15 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर कोर एरिया है और 650 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर बफर एरिया है। 4-5 टाइगर का मूवमेंट है सर, यहाँ पे नाम नहीं होते सर। हाँ,
ये कौन सा स्पॉट है भैया?
लगता व्यू पॉइंट है सर।
व्यू पॉइंट?
जी हाँ।
और यहाँ से क्या दिखता है?
यहाँ से जो हिल है ना सर,
हाँ
इस पार्क का नाम सतपुड़ा टाइगर रिजर्व रखा गया है। जो हिल स्टेप बाय स्टेप 7 हिल है सर।
अच्छा, 7 हिल्स।
7 हिल है सर।
सतपुड़ा, ओके।
जी हाँ, जैसे उनका धुंधार,
हाँ,
सातों के नाम है सर अलग अलग।
अच्छा।
जी हाँ।
This place you can walk, of course, with the guides, and from here you will get a beautiful view of the hills. There are 7 hills based on which the name of Satpura Tiger Reserve is being given. Satpura is like 7 hills. So I'm walking behind him. What a beautiful view, man. कौन सा नदी है?
सोनभद्र नदी है सर।
सोनभद्रा नदी।
जिस नदी को हमने बोट से क्रॉस करके आना सर, उसी की सहायक नदी है सर। वो देनवा नदी है सर।
ओके।
जी हाँ। अभी इसमें काफी पानी कम हो गया समर।
Amazing. This is the viewpoint, and behind me all the way it's a full forest. Never saw any view like this. It's right there, right in front. So, ending our day 1 evening safari. No sighting of tiger or leopard, but we sighted a sloth bear, which was a very beautiful sighting, and we were able to capture its movement. So day 2 we will have again a morning safari at the same zone, Madai. Afternoon we will probably go to buffer, and in the evening for the night safari we will go to the same buffer zone. See you in the morning. Day 2 morning safari. So yesterday evening we did the safari in the Madai. No gypsy sighted tiger. So there were like 7 to 8 gypsies inside the Madai gate, but there was no sighting. Hopefully we'll have sighting today. Yeah, so the one boat arrived. Reached to the other shore and we'll find our gypsy and to begin the morning safari. This area feels like Big One, which is a bird sanctuary near Pune.
अपन को आके गणेश तो गणेश तो आगे जा रहा है।
There is a black bear. Beautiful. So guide was saying there is some spot sighting of a male Parsapani male in this area and one female expected to have some litters.
तो तवा डैम नहीं बना था तो वो कहीं से जंगल के अंदर से कहीं से भी अपना बाजार हाट इलाज वगैरह जो वो सब कर लेते थे। जब तवा डैम बना तो वाटर बॉडी यहाँ अक्टूबर में ये पानी यहाँ तक भरा रहता था।
After spending couple of hours, we stopped at one resting place. In every forest, usually there are some resting places where you can stop during the safari time. So nothing so far. It's a halfway through, like we are in the safari for 2 hours. Most exciting part was the bear sighting. We got the full road show of the bear. Just stopped near a temple, very ancient one, Chinjini temple. In this remote forest, you can see this temple. Such a beautiful temple in the middle of the forest. I'm really surprised who built this beautiful temple. According to the guide, this is from the 5th or 6th century. Now itself this forest is so thick and dense. You can imagine 1000 or 1500 years ago how this place should have. और वो कौन सा मेल?
परसापानी मेल भी आता सर और एक अपना और मेल है जैसे पट्टन मेल के नाम से भी जानते हैं।
Okay.
लेकिन वो कम मूवमेंट करता है क्योंकि जो परसापानी है थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा और ताकतवर है इसलिए कम मिलते हैं।
Just finished the morning safari, same at Madai, and unfortunately nothing. Same result as yesterday. So all 7-8 gypsies went in and came out without any sightings. In afternoon we have to go to another zone, which is a buffer zone. Hopefully we'll have some sighting there. See you in the afternoon. Here we go, our safari and our guide, Mr. Khet Singh. Starting our third safari, afternoon buffer.
And night.
So we will be in forest for almost next 4 hours because this is combined evening and night safari. In the buffer zone, hopefully we'll have some sighting today. Entrance gate for Jamni Dev. We are tracking a female tigress with 4 cubs. They are 5 months. Really amazing to capture all of them together. 5 tigers. Barking deer is calling. There's a kill right behind this tree, and this whole area is full with the smell. Alarm calls we are getting are from that hill. On the left side of this river, it's Madai core area where we went in the morning and had 2 safaris yesterday evening and morning. On the area between core and buffer, behind me is Chamani Dev buffer, and on this side it's core, Madai core. Going back to dam area and no luck so far. We are towards the end of our evening safari, but we still have few more hours to continue in a night safari in the same zone. Don't know what's coming next. Let's see. So in the night safari,
इधर से ऐसे ही गया मुझे देखने
just sighted leopard.
ऐसे ही चला यार ऐसे
Recall the memory of Pench. One leopard just at the beginning of night
We
safari.
got the road show also.
Road show as
We
well.
saw it crossing the street.
Yes.
We had a video of that.
Awesome. And all these cars around me are like tracking for the leopard. We should go there. भैया अपन सीधा मरते चलो. We are waiting for the tigress with 4 cubs. Her sighting was here a couple of days ago. It's 7:30. It's a torch at night. करू शकतो. Animal ला हे करणं allowed नाही. Good morning, and it's day 3 from Satpura Tiger Reserve. Yesterday's evening safari at buffer was amazing. We sighted a leopard, male leopard, and it was not too close, but we were able to capture some videos. Now I'm heading towards my second morning safari at Madai. Yesterday, some other group sighted a tiger crossing the river and going into core zone. So hopefully we will be able to track that tiger and we'll get the tiger in this today's morning safari. Today afternoon we have extended our safari schedule and added one more safari with a buffer, and we'll see about that later. But now let's head towards the morning safari at Madai Gate. We are back to the same location. From here we will take the boat that will take us to the gate. You can see the view. It's beautiful. Hopefully we'll have a good sighting of a male that went to the other side of the forest yesterday.
सर हो गए सर वहाँ पे जस्ट रेड जो है ना लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल
अरे देखना फोकस करना बाग
Yes.
यस
Yes. पूरा.
गाड़ी यहीं खड़ी जो टाइगर ऐसा बनाया
Tiger is right there in that valley. We just sighted a tiger. Was too far on the other side of the river, and we are tracking that tiger now. I already captured from the long range. It's a big tiger sitting on the other side of the lake, crossed the river, and then came all the way this side. Tiger is sitting right in this valley.
पीछे आएगा पीछे
Excellent sighting of first male tiger. He walked all the way up from that valley, went down into the water again, swam to the other side of the lake, amazing sight. So the same tiger is right under that tree. We came back to the previous place from where we sighted this tiger for the first time, and now it's tiger is resting inside the lush bushes under jamni tree, and I don't think we'll make any move, so we'll probably proceed ahead.
आगे सब अंदर आ चुके थोड़ा सा लेट आया सर एंट्री यहाँ को होती वहीं से मैं टाइगर दिखा
अरे बाप रे.
तो होता है सर वाइल्ड लाइफ में सब प्रोसीजर
Yeah. We are heading back towards our resort, and we'll get ready for our last safari, which is sixth one at Jamani Dev Buffer again, in search of a tigress with 4 cubs. But we are satisfied because yesterday we sighted leopard, today we sighted tiger, and that's it. But if anything we find in the last safari, that would be bonus. Let's see. Good afternoon. Starting our last safari, Jamani Dev Buffer.
रामविलास
We are at this water body waiting for the female and her cubs. I'm observing this group of monkeys. They are all looking in one direction. We are towards the end of our final safari and haven't sighted any tiger or leopard. We missed leopard by a few minutes. But overall it was a good safari. We covered a lot of forest. We'll probably come back again to Satpura. It was an amazing trip. Keep watching my channel, Californian Marathi. See you in the next episode.